Oh, welcome to Outdoor Adventures with Brayton. Today we're going to try to knock some trees down at Peterson Farms of Nashville. This is what we have going on. We're attempting to take down some pine trees. Some good old dead pine trees. Stay with us, see how it goes. Hopefully pick up some tips. Hopefully not pick up tips of what not to do. You're good. Hey, you might want to cut it from that side, because if anything, it's going to go this way, you can go that way. Hey, cut that off around there, that little stump. I cut that off because if you need to go that way, you might trip on that. Oh, oh! It's going that way. A little more. It's going that way. It started moving. Cut a little bit more. If I holler, you just get away. Don't look at me, just get away. Up, go, go, go. A little more. It's going every time you cut. Go, go, go. Come on, baby, go down. There we go. Woo!
Right where I wanted it almost.
That's how you do it. See that?
Okay.
Hold on. Hold on. All right. Hey, hey. Number 2 down. So far, no incidents. All right, up next is the big one. Let's hope everything goes good. Remember, if I holler, you just run that way. Go, go.
Yeah. Right where I want it.
She sounded kind of hollow when she hit too. By holler, you go. Go. A little more. Whoa, get out. Hey, Phil. Phil. Whoa, Phil. Phil. Hey. Phil. Phil. Come on. Hey. Wrong way. I hollered at you about 4 times.
What?
I was hollering at you for about 4 times. Yeah, it's going that way. All right.
Well, that's disappointing.
Yeah. A little bit. That's where we probably, I wouldn't have thought it went that way, especially with
Me
that
neither.
fork hanging out like that. But goes to show you never know for sure. It's all right. No-
I didn't have enough of a wedge going that way.
Yeah. Nothing on that side. That's one thing you gotta make sure you check all the surroundings.
Yeah.
So you just gotta make sure you check all the surroundings just in case. And nothing got hurt.
Yeah.
So nothing got hurt, nobody got hurt. I call that a success.
Yeah, I didn't think it would be going that way.
Yeah. Yeah, well.
Have to look at the video and see what
But
we did wrong.
well, it didn't go the way we wanted, but like I said, nothing got hurt, nobody got hurt, so that's a success when you're knocking down trees. So you just gotta be careful, you never know. They got a mind of their own sometimes.
Let's put it this way. I feel great. Have those trees down finally. I've been worried about those for a couple years now. But ever since we put the pool in the proximity of these trees, if they fell the wrong way, I was always fearful that if the kids were in the pool, one of those trees come down and hurt someone. So anyway, thanks Brayton
Yeah,
for your
no
help.
problem.
And
Thanks to the bull rope.
thanks to the bull rope. Picked this up at where? The Hoosier
Hardwood.
Festival
Yep.
last weekend. 150 foot for what, 90 bucks or something
Yeah.
like that? It was on discount because it was Kubota orange. No, just
That
kidding.
makes sense, though.
It was dirty. And so he discounted some of the ropes that had a little dirtiness to them. But I liked it because it is Kubota orange. You can see right there.
Yeah, and
You see right there.
I'm surprised it didn't break.
Oh. Kubota orange and Kubota tractor took down the big pine tree along with the Stihl 660, the MS 660. So it ran pretty decent. Just recently had it rebuilt, the clutch pack. But anyway, it's hot now. Time to go get cooled off in the pool,
Yeah.
I think. It's going to be a hot weekend this weekend.
Just remember, if you plan on doing any of this, check your surroundings, be safe, take your time, don't get no rush.
Absolutely. I think the biggest thing I found out was just making sure the whole area was clear around the tree. That's why we went to the extra length to grapple earlier. And then just before we made the cuts, just made sure that that we had the ground all clear so that we could take off and run if we need to, and didn't get tripped up. So anyway, just want to thank you all from Peterson Farms in Nashville
And
Or-
Outdoor Ventures with
Yeah.
Brayton.
that you stopped in today, and hope you got something out of this. And I'm sure we'll look forward to the comments of what we did wrong. That's okay. They paid just the same. So
That's right.
we appreciate all that, and we do appreciate any safety tips going forward. We're not professionals, obviously, as you can see, but we try to be as safe as possible.
Yeah.
And I think we accomplished that today.
Yeah. And just remember, here in about a month or two, you'll find out why I got in trouble again. So keep up.
That's right.
It's coming.
Pay
So.
attention to Outdoor Ventures of Brayton,
And Peterson Farms in Nashville.
because we're heading to the Paul Bunyan. And we're heading to the Paul Bunyan, and when the two of us go somewhere, it usually costs one of us money.
Yeah. And
And
one money and both in trouble. So.
yeah, both angry wives. We'll see which one it's going to be this time. So stay tuned, and we'll show a lot of the Paul Bunyan show coming up. We enjoy that show. You ought to make it. You ought to get there. Where
Yeah.
is it? Cambridge, Ohio?
Yeah.
Cambridge,
Ohio. And Friday Night Live there at the Fairfield will be at the Fairfield Inn.
Yeah.
Staying at the same place they are. They'll do the Friday Night Live. So
Who's that?
watch that. Back 40.
Back 40 Firewood. That's right.
So,
And then we see all the other stars of YouTube out there. The Morgans are usually out there.
Buck and Billy.
Buck and Billy Ray.
Firewood at the furnace will be there. Ohio Wood Burner.
Yeah.
So
So they're all out there and more. And it's a good time, fun time. Hope to see you there. So until next time, God bless you all.
see y'all later.